Teen Zone's a safe space where youth come after school. It's all free and accessible activities, programming, and services. So the youth come after school, they find a space that feels like a home. We have youth workers on the floor, and the youth workers are there not just to, supervise and provide support, but we facilitate a lot of different activities, and they appreciate having access to opportunities such as this one, the artificial intelligence.
I really liked Scratch and AI in general, and I also learned how to use AI to my advantage.
We're often trying to find what do the youth will benefit from that's not being offered in the community. We realize that youth are very, very interested in understanding the digital world, learning how to, program, how to be part of the system that's growing and developing. And Digital Moments providing this opportunity in an accessible way, that they're providing the equipment, they're providing the expertise, they're even providing for needs such as, having food because they're coming from a day of school.
AI is a very vast subject, and I think that it's a big part of our futures.
When I see the kids are motivated and they like to know more about science and specifically AI, then I realized it is really cool. And for example, at the first session, most of the kids just heard about AI in science fiction movies, and they thought about killer robots and they're gonna surpass human minds. But after that, we just try to tell them AI would be helpful for their daily life, for their future career paths, for their future studies, to get a better job in the future.
I found the subjects fascinating, and the youth were asking questions, and the youth were surprised by a lot of the things they learned. They were able to explore. So I think the staff was really pleased to see the response of the youth, and also like the content and how dynamic and engaging it was.
It is also very interesting for kids because now there are many tools in the web. They can use it to, for example, build games with AI, build very simple code with scratching tools.
I'm still very young and I don't know much, but I know jobs in the future will be based off technology and AI for a lot of people.